at BRUMBIES, and if you didn't know, they provide a bus every weekend. There is a local game in Fiji, so that's where we started. That's the whole group, and I just love everyone decked out in the Drua merch. Look at this bus, even the bus is decked out. Shout out to Susan and her team. I'll probably do another video of just the scenery because the drive was awesome, so keep an eye out for that if you're interested. And we have arrived. There is only one entrance, and we found out the hard way. Do not go to the back because they do not let you in there. Even though there are 4 gates, there's only one ticketed entry, and that's to the front. So finally managed to get in, and it was already pretty full. If you haven't got any merch, don't worry, there's always a shop on site. You can stock up on your Drua gear. But take a look at this ground. Bar, man, bar. You enter from the back, and that's also where the canteens and the washrooms are located. A really hot day in bar. Well, at least that's how it started. Very hot in the first half and just a little bit of a thunderstorm in the second half to make things fair, you know. So 42-27 to the Fijian Drua. What a game. Hope you guys enjoyed this vlog, as it's my first time doing a narration. Till next time, more than mother.